Glad you're here. Let's get your publisher account set up in just a few quick steps. Step 1. Head over to adcash.com and click Register in the top right corner. You've got 2 ways to sign up. Use your Google account. Just click the button, Sign in with Gmail, and you're in. Or register with your email and password. Enter your details and click Create Now. Check your inbox to confirm your email address. You'll need that to move forward. Once confirmed, go back to complete your account setup. Select Publisher as your account type. Then choose your currency. Please note, once the currency is selected, it is not possible to change it. Click Register, and you're in. You should be able to see the Add a Website page. Here you need to enter the needed information: your website's URL, your relation with the website, and your website's category. Tick if you allow to boost your earnings by advertising adult content. Click Submit. Next, you may use the generated code to create an auto tag zone or explore other ad formats to select the method that is best suited for your website. Please note, our compliance team will review your website, and once it is validated, you're all set with your Adcash publisher account.